I was doing Star Car Racing, not Adrenaline.
Oh yeah, right.
you went to Adrenaline.
I'm sorry, I'm stupid.
It's okay. You're good. I'm gonna need my mouse for this.
The amount of lying I've done today is not even funny.
I need my mouse for this.
Okay.
I like Star Car Racing better than Adrenaline.
Because you can actually bump rap.
Yeah, and without wrecking.
Bumper cars.
Or do you want to do a 3.0?
I thought 3.0 only had Charlotte.
Oh. Well, it had the, oh, okay, 3.0 had Char, okay, that makes sense then. 2.0 is garbage. I'm just saying, 2.0 is legit. Like, Star Car Racing is better than Adrenaline, just to be honest.
Freeze times and days.
Talladega's in the first row.
First row?
Yep. It's in the first row.
Oh, shit, nah, bro, I really like.
Imagine I just make a card game. Imagine I just make a card game. I record a solitaire live stream.
That's legal. That's illegal.
What, a solitaire? A solitaire live stream? Me playing solitaire? I have a deck of cards right here.
What's the game called?
Star Car Racing Experience.
Okay.
I'm literally waiting here at the lobby. But, not lobby, I mean the Talladega track.
No, I'm slow.
It's okay.
This is you're the only one in the game, though. That's kind of sus.
Who cares? Oh my, not. As long as people don't randomly show up out of nowhere, I'm fine with that.
I'm like, oh, when?
You go, I'm here, and they go, wait a minute, where's Ash? You go, I'm not in Adrenaline. Like, literally, when you enter Adrenaline, I'm like, I'm not in Adrenaline, I'm in Star Car Racing. Like, literally, when you entered it, I heard the song, I was like, I'm not in that.
Okay, now I can see Jimmy Johnson. No.
Okay, go to the hit play. You know how to do this.
Oh, second row.
Is it the second row?
It is.
Okay, I must have been dumb then. Wait, do you have what I think you have? You almost have a Brackus Loud. Oh, you almost have a Joey Logano paint scheme. Or, fire suit.
Yes, my name's very messed up. I was supposed to be Brad, but stuff didn't work out in Isaac's league, so I had to be Joey.
Where are you right now?
Fine. God damn.
You are? I'm gonna use my mouse for this. Oh, I see you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use the 5 card for this season. What are you gonna use? Oh, that is a fire suit. Never mind. That is a fire suit. What are you gonna use? The 2?
Discuss.
Why?
Why not?
Are we even Penske teammate? No, we're not teammates. Never mind. Oh, let's go.
Milk and Dan. Actually, I think Dan's
Alright, let's do some pace laps. Let's do pace laps. Alright, go. Warm up the tires, boys. Warm up the tires.
No, can't do that.
I have to catch up to you. I have to catch up to you. I have to catch up to you right now. Catch up. There you go. We just need to be in pace lap. We just need to have a pace lap. How many laps do you want?
Let's do, maybe like a movie, 0 and
30. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Green flag is out here for the first race here at the Roblox series. I am. I'm recording it. Oh, did they have a, where's Inside Cam, boys? You're right now on Inside Cam? Nice. Are you pushing me? No, you're not. I see you in the back. Lap 2 out of 30, boys. We should do Charlotte after this. Oh gosh. I'm over Andrew over right there. For your, I'm over in your back splitter. However you call, your side. Inside. There you go. Oh my gosh! I'm on your outside. Outside. There you go. Doesn't this look like, it's almost like a next gen car. Unless it's not really. What are you trying to do? Lap 3. Fail. We should do 3 races today. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, inside cam. I'm right behind you. Yeah, now I'm right here. I just took the inside like crazy on that maneuver. Oh my gosh. What lap is it? I forgot. It's 4. Yeah, we need to have that. Oh, I kicked the lead in the 5. Oh my god, I drove you into the line. So I'm gonna be really busy tomorrow. I'm in Noah's sleeper league, and he has his draft tomorrow. So I'm gonna be really busy. Huh? Yeah. What? I've been taking a while, man. This is lap 5, I think. You know what we should do? After this one, we should do another one from now on. I don't know. I wanna like change it up. Yeah. What? Yeah, if only there's a page card. Okay, we're only gonna. Okay, so how we're gonna do this? What lap is it? Okay, we got 3 more laps to go until we hit stage 1. Until we hit stage 1. Stage 2 will be 20 on lap 20, and then stage 3 will be on lap 25. Or actually, no. Stage 2 will end on lap 17, and then stage 3 will begin on lap 19. So it's lap 8. We have 3 to go. Oh, yeah, 3 to go. And so whoever becomes the stage 1 winner. So whoever's the stage 1 winner will get points into their standings. So like saying if you got like let's say you win the race, you get 25. You will also get 26 plus the amount of laps you led. But you have to keep track of how many laps you led. Get what I'm saying? Yeah. You have to go. 2 to go until the stage 1 bonus, or to the stage 1 end. We're also gonna include this in adrenaline, so. I'm on your bumper. Bumper, clear. Inside, outside. I'm on the outside. You're out of the inside now? Alright, here we go. Final lap here in stage 1. Final lap here in stage 1. Who will take home the stage 1 bonus for the opening race of the Roblox series? Those are not for 15. And I had skills with Talladega. Mike Wazowski. You probably didn't think that straight. Did you? Huh? You didn't think that straight, did you? Alright, the camera's gonna be pointed to my right side. And taking on stage 1 is me. Well, you have a chance at stage 2. I'm gonna go to the pits. I'm going to pits. If you wanna come with me, you can come to pits with me. Are you coming to pits with me or not? Don't push me. Oh yeah, you're on the pits with me. Okay, cool. At the pit of my pit box. Yeah, your pit box is way early. Alright. Takes tires and gas and is off. Oh yeah, also you have to go under 100 miles an hour in pit road. Where are you? Okay, I'm waiting for you. I'm in turn 1. Or turn 2, sorry. Do I hear you?
I'm like about to cross the pit. I'm not even like going full throttle. Oh, you should have just went like all the way around. It would have been more real. Like just enough to try and catch me.
Alright, so, I'm gonna be in the back, since I took pits, so the one pit, I'm gonna be in the back, you can be in the front. So, wait, we're gonna be single file, and then once we get to the Geico restart zone, we're gonna be like this. Okay, so do you want inside or outside? Alright, I'll take outside. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. Are you ready? Geico restart zone, Geico restart zone. No, get over there, get on your inside, get in inside, get in inside. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Go, go. Ready flag, back on the way here. We had a terrible restart there, but back on the green. 7 to go until. Or do you want stage 2 to end on lap 20? Okay. So we got basically 10 to go. We got 11 to go basically. Yeah. Go Blitz. I didn't see it. Ten to go in stage 2. I don't see it. Did you see you, Buzz? Looking into the inside view of Kyle Larson, aka Ash. Looking into the bumper view. Dude, you know what we should do for freaking Charlotte? Do you want to do adrenaline or do you want to do adrenaline? Okay. We should do like bumper. We should do like bumper views. Like how now, you know how like inside camera, inside car camera, whatever. We should do that for this. Oh! Cautions out, cautions out. Cautions out, cautions out. Are you behind me? How do you look back? how do you look back in like inside camera? People are fucking away! I'm in inside camera. I'm in inside cam. I'm not. I want to do this for like a live stream and just go have this for like inside cam. Have this for like part of like inside cam. You let that lap. We have 9 to go. McDowell is 34. McDowell? McLeod? I don't know. I don't know who. Oh, they're racing at Texas next. I forgot. What lap is it? Now should this what? Should this go on my YouTube, my main channel, Ashash, or Ashash Plays? No, should this video go on Ashash Plays or Ashash? Okay. 8 to go. 8 to go in stage 2. 8 to go in stage 2. You hit the wall right there. Finally did. My brother has NASCAR V5. Yeah. You should get NASCAR, what was it? What is it? What's the new game? NASCAR, you should get NASCAR Ignition. Is this 7 or 6 to go? To go here at stage 2 at Talladega. After this race, we'll be doing Charlotte. And then a new race after that. Yes. No. Someone just. I'm just gonna be the 5 car, like assigned car. No. 6. 9. 69. I don't get the joke. It was 5 to go, I think, right? Is it 5 to go? 5 to go. 5 to go. You're in stage 2. Watch what happens. See, I can't turn you. I can put you in a wall. This game doesn't allow you to turn people. Yeah. This game doesn't allow you to turn people. Don't go backwards or else you get kicked. Four to go, you're in stage 2. I don't even know who let that lap. So after we do what's its name? After we do Charlotte, we should just do the Charlotte Oval. No. I want to be my side car. You're in stage 2. The 2 getting aggressive on the 5. Dude, you're gonna finish the stage at some point this race. You're gonna finish the stage. Yeah. Yeah. So we should do it. We should do Roblox racing on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then NASCAR racing Tuesdays and Thursdays. Final lap! What? That's on like Saturdays. Yeah, final lap. Did I say 2 to go or? Who will win stage 2? Coming out of turn 4 or turn 3, whatever this turn is. Coming out of turn 4. Larson has the upper hand and wins stage 2. What is that noise? How do I have? Okay, hold on. Adrenaline is gonna be so much difficult. Adrenaline is gonna be so much difficult because you can wreck people and they'll literally get wrecked. What? What? Are you going to pits? I'm going to. Imagine what? Get into pits. You just missed your pit stall.
Just missed your mom. She was coming.
Wow. Immediately got owned. Okay, I got it. I got my gas finally. I was at like 22,000 out of like 30,000. So I was like, wait, what? Okay, let's do some pace laps. I gotta catch up to you. Stage 3 is gonna be 10 laps. And then I'll be in the end of the race, and then we're going to do adrenaline. Why are you slowing down? I'm going on the outside. Alright, ready? Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Alright, ready? 3. When it hits the Geico restart zone. When it hits the Geico restart zone, we go. Go! Was that perfect or not?
I mean, we accelerated at the same rate, but yeah, it was decent. They were being good, yeah. Okay. And this time, we're gonna take the end.
I will not. Next. Dude, you're like blocking so aggressively. Okay, that's copyright. Not you. Kyle Larson and on overcoming adversity to win at Charlotte. Speaking of that, I'm racing as Kyle Larson. This is gonna be on lap 22 out of 30. You got that lap. Lap 23 out of 30. Yeah, you get points. That's not Casey Kane. Really? Oh, that was Hoover! 24 out of 30. Or, did I say, yeah, I said 23. can actually get bad. You can actually get bad damage in Adrenaline 2.0. Anyway, I have an idea for tonight. If you're up for it. $25. 6 to go. But anyways, you know what we should do for Adrenaline 3.0 tonight? We should do like the testing they did at Robo. No, actually, hold on. Let's just do Robo and then hold off on the short track until Friday. Yeah. Cause I wanna do actual like next gen testing. Because like, so what car do you actually want to be like for the league? What car do you actually want to be? I want to be Kyle Larson. I want to be the 40. I want to be the 5 car. So what we're gonna do tonight? By the way, we have 26 out of 30. But what we're gonna do tonight is we're gonna do a short Robo race, and then we're gonna do next gen testing for like our cars. Are you up for that? Are you up for like next gen testing?
Yeah.
Okay. 27 out of 30. 4 to go. Yep, 4 to go.
Okay, I'm not sure if you've ever noticed this, but the funny lion looks like a lion, but it also looks like a sheep.
Yeah. So we're gonna shorten the short race to 10 laps because you don't have a lot of time left before your internet shuts off. So. Where to go? Dude, I saw that. Gotta take that. You know that. You ready? 2 to go here at Talladega. What time will your internet shut off today? 10? Okay. I'll get points, right? I'll just get like 22 points. Final lap, then I'm like credit 1 Spain. The 5 on the outside. Now gets back with the 2. The 2 has the lead. The 5 of Ash is coming in close. He's gonna take the inside. He hit the yellow line. They both do. Ash hits the outside. The tail is in the yellow line. Coming out of turn 4. Who will win it? Coming out of turn 4. The 2 of Joey will win at Talladega. Congrats, man. You won at Talladega, boy. How many laps did you lead? No, hold on. Stop it. Slow down. Hey, good luck, driver. Hey, good job, driver. Do your burnouts. Try to do your burnouts.
I can do my version. You guys gotta try back.
Now I'm gonna spectate you. And he burns her down on Talladega. Is that it? Are you done now? Dude, this video is 41 minutes long.